Hi, so today we will work on a simple tea preparation mind map. Okay, so first, once you will open this software, click on this diagram. Okay, then you can start with this mind map. Simply the perfect cup of tea and click on this rapid fire. Okay, so then you write tea bag, enter, milk, enter, mug, enter, brew, boiling water, teaspoon, sugar optional. Okay, so now we need to arrange as per their sequence: mug, kettle, teaspoon, tea bag, boiling water, milk, sugar optional, stir, brew. Okay, equipments, ingredients, process. So these last two, stir and brew, will come under process. Mug, kettle, teaspoon, equipments, and remaining are ingredients. Okay, link. Now we need to link them. Okay, so the perfect cup of tea we can only prepare with the help of equipments, ingredients, and process. So under equipments, mug, kettle, teaspoon, you arrow them. Ingredients: tea bag, boiling water, milk, sugar, process, stir and brew. Okay, now you can change the color. Simply select, and from the bottom you just click the color you want. Okay, so the color will be updated. Okay, you will get the desired color. You need to select it. So you can see now it looks like this. Now if you have images, you can simply drag and drop in that particular box so that you will get picture instead of the text. Okay, so the milk, you can see we have updated kettle, cup and milk. Okay, and if you have more pictures, you can add them. You can replace the text with the pictures so that it will be very nice and engaging. So you can add notes as well. Simply click on notes. Leave tea bag for 3 minutes followed by a gentle squeeze. So you can upload a PDF if you want from desktop, for example sugar report. Okay, for health consciousness. Okay, hyperlink, you can link a text with any web page, any document. Okay, you can hyperlink them as well, so that if anyone click on that link, that particular page will open. Okay, and they should have active internet connection. Okay, so this is how it works. Now you can click on outline box so that you will get the whole outline from the perfect cup of tea to brew. Okay, so everything in one shot. You can view them, you can edit as well. Okay, so this was a part of mind map learning. Okay, so if you have any questions, please ask me. I will add this tool link in the description. You can use tutorials on Photoshop, website, WordPress and Canva. Okay, so lots of tutorials are there, and This will definitely help you. Until then, take care.